Alright. Flight Tools. Version 2.
Welcome back. Big news from Beverly Hills. Celebrity plastic surgeon Dr. Andrew Orton has discovered an anti-aging breakthrough called Fill and Freeze. And he's giving away 1,000,000 bottles free.
I spent nearly 30 years looking for an effective, instant breakthrough to reduce the appearance of wrinkles that can be
So we're going to go over here.
instead of with surgery or invasive.
We'll turn on. Hold this one time. See if I can.
Well, you don't have to wonder. You can order it right now and try it for yourself. Absolutely. Here's how.
Call now during this special direct-to-consumer offer, and you won't pay more than $20. Today, you can get your own.
Now,
With Fill and Freeze for only $59.
go in here. I'm
Today we're taking
plug in the USB.
you can get this instant wrinkle-removing miracle for
Focus.
$39.95. And as
And
part of a 1,000,000 bottle
my
giveaway,
pitch.
a second $60 bottle of Fill and Freeze free. That's nearly
I want to test the motor.
freeze for only $39.95. Dr. Orton will even include his micro-peel resurfacing pads,
Go to
repair serum, and collagen lift moisturizer.
click on motor 4.
Free. Order now, and we'll even upgrade your order to express delivery. That's a 15
Test motor.
must call to order. Call 1-800-663-1296. That's 1-800-663-1296. Order
3.
now.
That's what they sound. It should sound like real nice and quiet. Two. And then my number one motor isn't working. It's broke. It's not doing nothing. So then you go to systems, change all the speed, all that firmware. Then your data. This is kind of cool. Let's see if I can do this. If I go to calibrate my remote, hit calibration, start calibration. Now it's going to tell me to raise up on my remote all the way. So now it's telling me to go down on my remote. Now it's telling me to go into the middle. And then my calibration is done. I'm gonna go back down. Yeah. And then, you know, you got your that's it, version 2.